Okay, so good morning everyone. So I will start with the main dart first. So first thing is import all the package. So to make sure the app can run successfully later. So the so I remove the banner in here, the debug banner, and put the title. And so this is some design, and also this is the login screen, register screen, profile screen. We will show it later. So these are all the code. So this is to make sure that the worker can successfully login or register. So we will go to the login screen first. So the first is these two are used for the backend. For this is used to the backend, and this is to validate the email and password. So this is the login animation, and this password is to one to show the password can be visible or not, and this is to manage the email and password test. So this is to let the email and password clear after the login page be destroyed. So this is to manage the email and password that the user can type in the email and password, and this is to store the worker data in share preference and update the worker, and it will be navigate to the profile screen after the worker successfully entered the email and password. So this is some design. So this is the design and see in the emulator. So this is effect, and also this is our login form design. See in the emulator, can be seen in the emulator, and yeah, this is the text. These are all the design. This also the design in here. So advertise email. So to make sure the email is valid, we want to move from A to Z, and it can be include the number. So if the email is invalid, then he will return the please enter a valid email. So this is the text form file for the password. So for the password, we got one icon which can be allow the password to visible or not, like this. So this is visible, and it can be invisible. So these are also the design. So the password will be make sure it can need to at least 6 characters. So this is the login button design, and these are all the design, and this is the register link. See in here. So the user, if want to login, he must register the account first. So we get to the register account. So we will move to the register page. So the register page is actually same with the login page, but I add on a full name, phone, and address. So this is same with the login page. These are all same with the login page, and if the user successfully enter all the information correctly, then it will appear registration successful. Then it will navigate to the login screen. So for this is the design. See in the emulator. So yeah, this is full name. If the name is got error or unfull, then you will please enter your full name. Yeah. So email, and if not, you will please enter your email. But also same with the password. These are all the design and phone number. So if you don't enter or enter error, he will come out like this. So this is all the error he will show out if you type in incorrect. So this is the button, register button, and if you already got account, then you can just click here and you will go to the login page. Then after successfully register, we can go back to the login page and key in all the information. So we register first. So you will see that registration successful and you will navigate to the login page. So we just key in the detail that we create just now. Yeah, so you will go to the profile page. Okay, so for the PHP database, my database name is workerdb. So yeah, workerdb database name, and this is the account that I created just now. So for the username is root and the password is nothing. So this is to make sure that the database can be stored successfully. And for the login page, we include the database PHP file, and these are all the information, the database that we can to make sure the data can be saved successfully. It is to use to connect the SNMPP and the further. So if there are some error, it will come out the error like invalid email or password, database error, unable to log in. So this is the hash, the password for comparison. And yeah, so you will select the ID, full name, email, and phone from the worker in the SNMPP. So this is the register worker PHP. So it will validate the email format and validate the password length, and the password example, the password must be at least 6 characters or you will come out the error. And you also try to check if the email already exists, then it will show the email already exists and insert the new worker. So this is for the worker ID. So like this. These three I already do the account. I create the account before this presentation. So this worker ID is 5 is I just create just now, and there are 1, 2, 3 before that. And yeah, so we will go to the profile, or we will go to the service dart first. So for the service dart, this is my URL to connect the SNMPP and further. So this is my IP address and this is my folder name. So this is to connect the register worker from the SNMPP and the further. So this URL here and register worker PHP, and they will be connected. And this is for the login worker part. So now we will go to the profile screen. So for the profile screen, as see here, this code is used for get the share preference and get the worker provider and navigate to the login screen. This button can be navigate to the login screen. So this is some design. This is the design and the effect and the profile header, which is the image or called as icon. And these are all the design: worker, full name, email, phone number, and it can be scrolled down. And these are also the design: worker ID, full name, all are the design. And this is the design of background, border radius, pending to make sure the text are more beautiful. Got these are all the ID, all the design, and this icon you can see in here. So where do I get this icon? I get this icon from this package further material dart. So these are all the design, and click this button, it can be logged out and it will be to the login page. Okay, that's all. Thank you.